Good morning, guys. It's another Wednesday, which means Miguel is at the office, and I had kind of fun last time filming my day when I was by myself, so let's do it again. It's 7 a.m. right now. I think Miguel left around 6:30. I don't know, I want to buy a plant for the apartment. So I texted a couple of people. Let's see if they're gonna respond, and then hopefully we're gonna have a plant by this afternoon. I'm gonna read a few pages and then start into the day. I have an eyelash right here in the corner of my eye. I don't know if you can see it, but Miguel always makes fun of me and wants to rip it out, but I consider it my lucky eyelash, and it always gets mascara on it. It's so tiny, and then I have to take the mascara off. But yeah, if I haven't introduced you yet officially to my lucky eyelash, there it is. I think for now I'm just gonna do the subtitles on last week's video. So basically another Wednesday that you spent with me. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna link it right here. What I do want to do is definitely go on a long walk later. I'm just not in the best mood today. You know, when you just have days where you're not so, I don't know, not so satisfied with yourself, or you're just so caught up in your mind and everything kind of comes together. I feel like I'm having one of those days today, so I'm gonna take it very chill for now and then do everything that's in my hands and that's possible to push my mood. But first, let's see how the rug is doing. As you saw, I washed it earlier because it definitely needed a wash and I didn't want to pay for the washing machine. So let's see if it's drying out there. I'm always wearing Miguel's shoes, double the size of my feet. Oh, it's almost dry at the side. I guess we can turn it. Looks like brand new. Brand new. It's 1 p.m. now. I haven't found a plant. I think I'm gonna go for a walk now. I talked to my friend Hetty for the last 2 hours, so that was very nice. Now time to enjoy the sun. Oh, it's so warm outside. But what I wanted to show you is, since a couple of days, San Diego has organic trash cans. So in front of all the houses there are those trash cans, but it seems like no one is using them yet, or they don't know what to do with it. They even come with instructions, but they've been here for I think more than a week now, and no one is like taking those little bins or putting anything inside them. So it seems like people just don't know how to use them. I feel like my mood is already better just from being outside. I also decided for destination now. I think I'm gonna go to Balboa Park. I've been there a couple of times. Today I want to explore maybe like another corner, but on the way there I want to get some coins for our washing machine because we have to pay for our laundry. So I'm gonna go to a laundry place and you put in like, I think I want to do like maybe $5 or $20. You put them in and then you get quarters back, and you can only pay our washing machine in quarters. So we're gonna combine the walk with a little productive thing. Get some coinsies. Here you can also watch the airplanes very well. There's one taking off right now. There, I don't know if you can see it. And then there's another one there. In line. Oh, and there's a little jet. You see that little jet? Miguel, I always wonder who's inside those jets. Of course, I put on my puffer jacket in 20 degrees. I feel too connected to the jacket. Can't take it off. I can never take it off again. Not even in summer. There's an airplane. We missed it. Let's go to the coin machine. You can only get coins there, by the way, if you actually wash clothes there. So I hope that I'm not gonna get in trouble. Okay, the laundry place is over there. But now that I'm here, I'm a little bit scared that they're gonna tell me something. I'm gonna try to be undercover. Thank you, Sunshine Laundry. Sunshine Laundromat, I mean. Getting chilly again. I knew it. That's why I took my puffer, because it's always chilly in the shade and then boiling in the sun. It's also funny, there are quarter cents here. Well, quarters, so 25 cents. Back home we have 1 cent, 2 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, 20 cent, 50 cent, and then €1. But we don't have quarters. Kind of funny. I have made it to Balboa Park. It's on this side. If I haven't shown you on the map where I am, I'm gonna show you right now. Pretty high buildings, a lot of palm trees. Wow. So let's take a walk. Oh, she almost ran this guy over. This little artsy like square that I just walked past, art studios. Fun fact, Miguel and I came here almost 5 years ago now. The first time when I ever came to San Diego. I don't know, it seems so different because I feel like obviously the memories fade from 5 years ago. So it was nice to see the place where we walked, like as a refresher. I just checked, I have to walk 44 minutes back to our apartment. So I think I'm just gonna walk back and then let's see how many steps I did today. It was a nice little walk to Balboa Park. I got coins for the washing machine. What do you want more, right? I made it back home. It's 3:30 now. I think I walked for more than 2 hours. My iPhone says I only walked 10,000 steps. It felt like at least 50,000. Apparently he's not home yet. This jacket, I think, is out of the season now. It's getting too warm in San Diego. Too warm. I told Miguel to get coins today, but I'm pretty sure he is not gonna get them after work, so we'll have enough for 2 washing machines and 1 dryer. The thing is, I'm super hungry, but I'm gonna bet with you when Miguel comes home, he's gonna bring his lunchbox. He's gonna bring his lunch back home, because it became a thing that I give him breakfast and lunch, and then he never really has the time, or he wants to wait until he eats the food. So he always brings his lunch back home, and I want to eat together with him. So I think I'm just gonna prepare dinner already, and then we eat lunch together. But yeah, for dinner, I'm gonna show you a video I saw on Instagram. I wanted to make that. So I'm gonna do a similar thing, I think. Hello, it's the next morning. Yesterday we just watched Netflix and fell asleep, so good morning in the morning. We are in our laundry room and it's time to do the laundry. I only have coins for 2 washing machines and 1 dryer, so I don't know if I should just do 1 washing and then dry it, or should I do 2 washings and then dry 1/2 and then hang the other half outside. My whole mission for yesterday failed. I didn't end up getting a plant, but it's okay, because plans change. That's about it. Today's Thursday. That means tomorrow's Friday. That means it's almost the weekend. It was nice hanging out with you. It was a little random video, but it was still fun. So ciao, cacao, and see you on the next video.